Imagine waking up in the morning, looking in the mirror, and feeling good about the skin you're in. No makeup, no filters, just you glowing naturally. That's what we all want, right? But with so many beauty products on the market, promising miracle results, it's easy to forget that nature has given us everything we need to look and feel our best. Today, let's dive into some simple natural beauty hacks that have been passed down for centuries, and that science is now backing up. Let's start with something that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now: honey. This golden liquid isn't just for sweetening your tea. Honey has been used for thousands of years to heal and nourish the skin. It's packed with antioxidants, which can help fight off free radicals, those nasty molecules that damage skin and speed up aging. But honey does more than just protect. It's also a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated and glowing. Just applying a thin layer of raw honey as a mask for 10 to 15 minutes can leave your skin soft, supple, and glowing. Another natural gem is coconut oil. You've probably heard about it before, but let me tell you, it's not just hype. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that deeply nourish the skin. It's an excellent natural moisturizer that can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But here's a bonus tip. Research has shown that coconut oil also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it perfect for soothing dry, irritated skin or even helping to prevent breakouts. Apply a small amount before bed as a night cream, and you'll wake up with soft, hydrated skin. Now, let's talk about something a little less obvious: green tea. We all know it's great for our health, but did you know that it's a powerhouse for your skin too? Green tea is packed with polyphenol, which are natural compounds that help reduce inflammation and protect your skin from UV damage. Studies have shown that applying green tea topically can improve skin elasticity and reduce redness. So next time you make yourself a cup, save the tea bag. Let it cool down and place it on your face for a soothing, anti-inflammatory mask. Your skin will thank you. But beauty isn't just skin deep. What you put inside your body matters too. That's where omega-3 fatty acids come into play. Found in foods like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts, omega-3s help keep your skin plump, smooth, and moisturized from the inside out. They reduce inflammation and can even help with conditions like acne and eczema. So next time you're planning a meal, try adding in some omega-3 rich foods. You'll be feeding your skin from within. And let's not forget one of the simplest, yet most powerful beauty hacks of all: water. Staying hydrated is the foundation of clear, glowing skin. Dehydration can make your skin look dull and accentuate fine lines. But when you drink enough water, your skin stays plump, soft, and smooth. Experts recommend drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day, but here's a bonus hack: add a slice of lemon to your water. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and helps brighten your complexion. Finally, let's talk about sleep. You've heard of beauty sleep, but it's more than just a saying. While you sleep, your skin goes into repair mode, producing new collagen, which helps prevent sagging and wrinkles. Lack of sleep can lead to dark circles, dull skin, and even breakouts. So if you want to wake up looking refreshed, make sure you're getting at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. In the end, beauty isn't about expensive creams or the latest trend. It's about taking care of yourself, inside and out, using the natural tools that have been here all along. So next time you're looking for a beauty boost, don't head to the store. Look in your kitchen, your pantry, or even just your water glass. Natural beauty isn't a secret. It's simple, sustainable, and within reach for everyone. And remember, when you feel good in your skin, that's when you're truly glowing.